why is this one an easy example?
Because they don't overlap the 10, so you don't have to carry forward.
Right, okay. So 5, 1, 6, 3, and 6, 9, 8, and 1, 9, 7, and 2, 9. So none of them go over 10, so it's a really easy one to do. There's no carrying. Yeah, okay, thank you. Do you think this is an easy example, Johan, or quite a difficult example of 4-digit plus 4-digit?
I don't know. This is how I do it. So.
But is this an easy example or quite a difficult example to start with?
Maybe quite difficult.
Why?
Because it's so high numbers.
Okay. What happens when you have higher numbers?
It's harder to explain.
Okay. Why? Why is it harder to explain?
Because there are more numbers, and then if there's higher numbers, then it goes over 10.
Right.
And then it's harder.
Okay. All right. So what might be an easier example?
Maybe like...
Could you change these numbers at the bottom? Keep these ones the same. Change these ones to make an easier example.
Okay.
Just, I don't mean write it. Just tell me now what an easier example would be. This one's okay, isn't it?
2.
But what about this? What could you change that to make it
Maybe
easier?
this one could be like 2 or 1.
Yeah, 1.
Yeah, 1. And then this one is okay.
Yep.
And this one, 1.
1, but you still have to carry, don't you? You still have to carry the 1.
Yeah.
Okay, alright, keep going. It's going to be tough to explain. Hang on. Can you explain this by speaking?
Okay. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 2 plus 6 equals 8. And 3 plus 4 equals 7. And 7 plus 8 equals 15. So you put 1 up and 1 down here. So 15.
Okay, it looked really easy all the way along here until you got to this one.
Yes.
Why is this part more difficult than these parts?
Because this is like a more than... it's a 10th number.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. So then, when that happens, what do you have to do?
Put 1 at top.
Okay. What do you call that? Do you have a word for it?
No.
Do you call it something in Korean?
Wait. No, I forgot.
Okay.
I don't learn this now.
You forgot what that's called in Korean?
No.
Maybe you can find out.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is a pretty easy example.
Yes. Now I'm going to do a hard example.
Okay. Hi, Am. Can you explain what you're working on here?
So the problem is 7,203 plus 1,689.
Yeah.
And first you have to plus 9 and 3, which is 12.
Yeah.
12. So you only write 1 digit, the digit in the units place.
Yeah.
And then you carry the 1 or whatever the digit in the 10th place is to the next number.
Okay, so that's what that little 1 is there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you plus the normal number with how much the digit from this column was from. So then 8 plus 1 is 9.
And your life is made a little bit easier because there's a 0 here. Let's say that was a 5. What would you do if there was a 5 there?
I would have 2 plus 8 and 6 because 5 plus 1 is 6.
Oh, okay.
So then that would make 14 and then I'd have to carry it again.
Then you'd have to keep doing it. Yeah, okay. But that 0 makes your life easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then the next 2 stages there?
6 and 2 is 8. And then 7 1 is also 8.
Okay.
So then the answer is 8,892.
Okay, and what are you writing over here?
I'm writing how to carry this column.
Okay, so you said it's a medium level problem because of this.
Yeah.
Yeah?
If you didn't have to carry it, would be easier.
Yeah, it would. It's always easier.
Yeah.
And is there a word for the carrying in Thai?
ตัวยืมใช่ปะ Yeah. ตัวยืมเขาเรียกว่าอะไรนะ The borrower. Yeah, it's called the tot.
Can you write that in Thai? And explain what it is? We call it carrying, and in Thai, it's write it in Thai and then explain. Yeah? Cool. What are you working on?
I'm working on hundreds, tens, and units.
Okay. And you've written there, this one is easy, so you've started with an easy example?
And the hard one.
Okay. What makes this easy? Why is this an easy example?
Because it's 800 plus 100 is 900. You just only add 100 to 800.
Okay. So, is it the zeros that make life easy?
Yeah.
Yeah? If there was a 5 here and a 4 here and a 9 here and a 7 here?
That will be kind of hard.
Yeah. But the zeros, because 0 plus 0 is 0.
Yeah, makes the life easier.
Yeah. So you only actually have to do one addition, don't you? It's 8 plus the 1. Yeah. Okay. Now maybe do a slightly more difficult example. Yeah? Good.